As a real estate agent, I've helped 4 or 5 other families move into Stoneridge Farms. Really since day one, since I moved that first family in here, I was just eager to get my family here too.
My name is Chase Nichols, and we bought in Stoneridge Farms.
And I am Rachel Nichols, and obviously live with him. For me, it all goes back to my involvement in the real estate community. I have watched firsthand how Homes by Tabor loves on realtors, and I feel like that really kind of shows their true character, because that's not always the case with home builders in Oklahoma. Hand in hand with that, I've also had clients that have purchased, and I've seen how they handle home buyers. And so I just thought, let's do it. Let's just marry the best of both worlds here.
She had sold some homes here already, and every time we started talking about moving, she would mention Stoneridge. We happened to drive through. We had just picked the kids up from school, and it was about 3 o'clock when we drove through the neighborhood. She just wanted to show me. And just the kids walking home, being able to think about my son and daughter walking to school with us in the morning or wherever that is, it's just a comforting feeling. That's how I grew up. I grew up in a very small town. So this has a small town feel to it. And plus, going into high school and middle school, the Piedmont school system has done a really good job of staying small with being a big school system.
We've got a 4-year-old, and this next fall he will be starting pre-K, and we're really excited about the Piedmont Primary Early Education Center that's just right around the corner. It was very important for us to get into a place before our kids started school so they could grow up with the same kids, because that's how we were raised. And so we're excited for our son to get there and to get established and make some good relationships that truly he could have for his whole life. Something that's been on my dream home bucket list has been the laundry room connecting to the master closet. Check.
And the whole buying process from start to finish was just a really easy process. Granted, I didn't have to do the legwork like my wife did, but overall it was just a very easy experience.
We would absolutely recommend Homes by Tabor.